Hi guys, it's Hannah. Today I'm making a crash course video on To Kill a Mockingbird. To Kill a Mockingbird was written in 1960 by Harper Lee, and the main character of this story is Jean Louise, who is also known as Scout, and she's the narrator of the story. And the story revolves around her brother Jem, and her father Atticus, and they come from a small town in Alabama. One of the main conflicts in To Kill a Mockingbird happens to be the mystery of Boo Radley. And Boo Radley was another character in the book who, when he was younger, he joined the wrong crowd and ended up getting into a lot of trouble. His father became embarrassed of him and hid him away in his house. And after years passed, people came up with all these rumors and lies about him and like all these stories that it tended to fascinate the younger children. And some of those children happened to be Jem and his sister Scout. And as time went on, the Boo Radley case itself happened to help these two mature, and because they started to understand more about Boo Radley and why he hid himself away, and just why he himself didn't want to show himself to the people around him because of all the rumors and the lies and all the problems that it would cause. Which brings me to one of our themes, which happens to be maturing, because over time, Scout and her brother Jem just started to mature more. Scout herself ended up meeting Boo Radley, and she just, when she met him, she just started to understand more like why. It just explained everything for her, and it just showed how much she was maturing because she didn't listen to the lies and the rumors. She understood. She basically kind of like in a way listened. She basically saw the real him and not what everyone else was telling her. Jem himself, earlier before Scout had started to realize these things, he himself was starting to realize why he was hiding himself away. Even a few times in the book, he himself was just mentioning to Scout that he understood, that he was starting to realize slowly and surely why he hid himself away. Some of Harper Lee's inspiration for the book happened to be during the time that the Jim Crow laws were being created, which legalized the segregation between blacks and whites. And that's all I have for this video. Red Girl out!